Afternoon. Right, it's Friday, I've got the day off work, so I thought, why not do a beer review? This is the Fuller's Wild River, brewed beside the Thames, double hot pale ale. And I've read on the back and it doesn't give you any tasting notes, it just says it's double hot pale ale with a blend of American hops including Liberty, Willamette, Cascade and Chinook. We all know what they taste like if you've had those. Fuller's tasting glass, which I got when I popped in. Right, give it a pour. I'll leave that there. Right, this is chilled down because it is hot today and I need a cold beer. Get a nose on it. Caramel notes off of that. Almost like a fruit peel, like an orange peel or something. That is it. Not overly hoppy. If I'm honest, I haven't had Willamette and Chinook, but I've had Cascade and Liberty hops before in my beers. Let's dive in, give it a go. Quite bitter. Gets you right there. I can taste the Cascade hops in it. And I can pick out the Liberty hops as well because I've used them in my home brew before. I don't know what the other two taste like, but it is a well rounded beer. Well rounded. Perfect for a hot day like today. Absolutely perfect. I haven't seen this in any shops. I was told that they did it in the Fuller shop, which is why I went in there, one of the reasons why. Let's top her up. Excellent. Crystal clear. There is condensation on the glass, but it is crystal clear. At 4.5% ABV. So you could sink quite a few of those. Fizzing on the tongue. Almost like you're sucking a lemon. A bitter zing you get from a lemon. That sounds horrible, but it's not. It's not, it's lovely. Absolutely delicious beer. Well, next Friday I'm off to the Great British Beer Festival and I know Fuller's are there, so I will pop into the stand and see what they've got on. But I'll definitely buy this again. Definitely buy it again. That's the Fuller's Wild River double hopped pale ale. Very nice indeed. It's complex, as you'd expect with 4 different hops in it. You get one hits you, then the next, then the next, then the next, and a very bitter, satisfying finish on the back, which I wouldn't expect a bitter finish from a pale ale. All the pale ales that I've had in the past have been quite easy-ozy, but this is nice. Oh, very nice. I can't stop drinking that. I should have bought more. Well carbonated. Marks out of 100. This has got to be up there. This has got to be a 90, 92. 92 out of 100, I think, because it is by far the best pale ale I've ever had, and absolutely perfect for a hot summer's day. It is not an American IPA. Don't go thinking that it is. But it's going down an alley with all the different hops in it, and a beautiful, beautiful taste. I've got to get this condensation off so you can see how clear that is. Very clear. I'm going to have to go there and do the brewery tour now. Oh dear. That's another day up, never mind. Delicious, guys. If you can get hold of it, if you see it in your store, you're luckier than me. If not, Fuller's website do it, and you can pop in the shop at Fuller's Brewery and pick them up. Wild River. Buy it, definitely. Right, that's me done. Cheers, guys. I'll see you on the next one.